guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you guys about things that I told you in the past that I liked, and I'm letting you know whether or not I still like them. So if you guys want to know, let's go. Okay, first up is this L'Oreal Faux Brow Pen. I posted a little reel or short, whatever you want to call it, of me filling it in. I have told you guys in the past that I kind of switched over to brow pens to fill in my brows just because they give more of those like hair-like strokes. So I tried this one, which came out this year, I believe, and I liked it because it has like those two, can you see that? Focus, see that? It has that, so that made it even easier to get the hair and like also the spacing as well. And I actually really do like this. However, I feel like it's already starting to dry out, and I don't like that. I don't think it's been a full 2 months. And I know I use it often because I'm doing it every time that I fill in my brows, but I don't like that because the Glossier pen that I have, I want to say that is from October, sometime around there, and I had to use that to finish filling in my brows today. So I'm like, I don't know what's going on there, but that's something to keep in mind. I do like it, but I think it might dry out a little too quickly. Okay, next up, I told you guys about the One Size Powder Melt Spray before it even launched. It has launched now, so you can get it. Do I still really like it? Yes, I do. I have used it every time that I've done my makeup ever since I did the video on it. I tried it a couple different ways on its own with the One Size on Till Dawn. Lately, the way that I've been using what I have it in combination with on my face today is with the Fenty setting spray. I like that combination with those two together. Yes, I very much so still like her. It is getting hotter outside, so I have had the chance to test it against like warm weather, and she's still holding up well in my book, so I like her. Go ahead and get it. Earlier this year, I posted a video on some of my favorite hair care products, and this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie was one of the products that I mentioned. I really like this. It really is going to define your curls, but I like this in, you know, a twist out. I like it in a wash and go. I just like, one, how it reacts with my hair, and also it smells really, really, really good. It smells like bananas, right? However, follow me on TikTok. You know, I told you a bee followed me home in my hair. I'm not sure if it's because of this, but I have noticed, like, especially when it's fresh in my hair, like the day of me doing my hair and having this in there, I think it might attract some critters to your hair because of how it smells. But I wouldn't trade how it smells for anything, so I'm just have to deal with it. But yes, I still really, really like this. This is one of my favorite hair care products. Well, natural hair styling products. Sticking with hair care, this is the Sacred Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I told you guys when I tried Sacred for the first time that the shampoo, the conditioner, I really liked how my hair reacted to it. Last year, I got the most, oh, your hair is really growing. Your hair is really growing comments, especially after taking braids out, stuff like that. I got it from my friends. I got it from my hairstylist. And I feel like the only thing that I switched up in my hair care last year was that I started using Sacred because it launched last year. So I feel like my hair really likes Sacred products, and healthy hair helps you retain, so your hair will grow in that sense, right? And I like this so much that it's done. Ain't nothing in this, so I need to purchase a new one, but I really like this as a deep conditioner. I feel like one of the main issues, because y'all know I do not like doing my hair myself, and one of the reasons is that I do not have the patience for detangling. As soon as those arms get tired, now I have an attitude, and now I don't want to do this anymore. Detangling is definitely one of the main reasons why I don't like doing my own hair. However, if you don't detangle safely, you can damage your hair, so this definitely helps with that, because I feel like using this, especially like letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, like the detangling is being done for me with this product, especially in combination with another hair mask. But the detangling that this does, need me another one. Okay, this next product I technically haven't told you guys about before, so I can't give you an update on it, but I'm talking about my favorite products, so let me tell you about it. This is from Kulfi. It's a brand that I didn't realize was at Sephora, but this is their Batty Lash mascara. This is currently my favorite mascara. It has something that I don't really peep with other mascaras, but let me see. Do you see the, come on, focus. Focus. Oh, did I get on my hand? I did. You're annoying. Do you see the tip of that? That makes it very easy to like literally angle it like this at your lashes and kind of coat that way, as opposed to having to do it this way. And then after you get a good amount of product on this way, you can turn it that way and, you know, add on any more that you want to. But I really like this. I feel like it's not like it's easier to come off, like it'll be, you know, running throughout the day, but when it is time to come off, some mascaras, like, it's just, you're doing a lot with having to wash this off. I feel like this one, it's not as hard, so that's another reason why. But I really like this mascara, and lately I've been using it on top and bottom lashes, and it looks like I have lashes. I think they're growing, who knows. Okay, last thing that I want to tell you guys about that I've told you recently I really liked, and I just want to give you an update on it, are these Mascara lash cluster sets from Ruby Kisses. I have done it twice now. This is the Delicate collection, and I've also done the other one, which I can't remember what it's called, but it's a little bit more noticeable lashes in that one. So I've done it twice now, and I liked it. I really liked it the first time. I also have a brown set, so I kind of want to see what brown lashes would look like on me. Do I still really like them? I do. However, I have come to realize I don't think lash clusters are for me in general. I told you guys before, I am a texture person, and I don't even know like how to explain it. I told you guys before, I am a texture person, so if certain things don't feel right, like it starts to irritate me. I've also told you guys before that I have a habit of I'll scratch my face in my sleep. It's just like little things about me that are very random, but you know, they can become a hindrance in some aspects. I have learned that I'm a picker. It's supposed to like last you, I don't know, like a week or 2 weeks, something like that, of putting them on. Baby, I can't make it past like 3 days with these on, and I don't feel like it's this brand. I think it's the idea of lash clusters in general, because I even had when I had my makeup done by the makeup artist a couple weeks ago, he put a couple of clusters on me and I picked those out as well. I just, something about it, I can't help myself, and then I'll end up picking one out, and then once I pick that one out, I'm like, oh well, damn, I have to pick out the rest now, because now it's not the same on both sides of my face. You see what I'm saying? So I'll pick that one out, and then I'm like, oh well, all right, time to pick out all the other ones. And then I'm irritated because I left it in because it does make it easier, right? Waking up with lashes done, stuff like that. But I can't help it. I can't help to not pick them out. So definitely not something that I'm going to be doing often, but I do like it, you know, maybe like special occasions or something like that. But I was talking to my friend, she was like, baby, lash clusters are you wear it and then you take it off that night. You don't let that sit on your face for days or weeks on end. And I just feel like at that point you could just wear strip lashes, right? But yeah, it's a little unfortunate for me. That's a personal thing though. So if you don't have to worry about that, then you'll probably be fine. Oh wait, hold on. Something else I told you guys about are these press-on toes and these press-on nails. Now I've been wearing press-ons for a good little minute, but I have been wearing the like square nails, coffin nails, stuff like that. So I tried almond nails for the first time. Focus, not on my eye. Thoughts on that? I don't know if this is the shape for me. I don't know. I just feel like my fingers look like pointy chicken fingers? I feel like that's what I look like with almond nails. I don't know, but it is kind of growing on me. I'm like, maybe I need longer almond nails, and that's why I don't like. It's not that I don't like it. That's why I'm trying to figure out if this is for me or not. I don't know. Maybe I just need to go back to short square nails. So if you see that, just know I tried to give it a chance. I don't know if this nail shape is for me. However, this brand of press-on nails, BT Art Box, I really like their nails. I feel like they do more creative as you can get for press-on nails, and they're good quality nails. I like the fact that you can purchase a box and you can use it more than once type thing. So in this instance, again, this might be a more personal thing where it's the shape might have to grow on me, but the actual product is good. Now baby, these toes, and I've tried toe press-ons from BT Art Box. They were French tip. I'm a white toe girly. I try French tip. It's cute, right? But ultimately, I am a white toe girly. So when they came out with this one, I was really excited. I wanted to try this one out. Baby, when I tell you cutest thing ever, like cutest thing ever, I absolutely positively love these toe press-ons. It looks like I went to a salon and got it done. And I don't know what it is about your toes, but I feel like you go get your toes done at the nail salon and your toe, like the paint that they put on, stuff like that, it's gonna stay on till the next time that you go to the nail salon. Well, same thing with toe press-ons. Toe press-ons, they're not coming off until you take them off. But finger press-ons will pop off after 24 hours, depending on what glue that you put on. But you can use the same glue and put it on your toes, and it'll stick on your toes for a whole year. Not that I've tested that theory out. Don't play with me. But they're long lasting. It's I really like these toe press-ons. So if you're looking for options, BT Art Box, definitely want to check out. They have white toes, French tip, chrome toes, or like other colors, stuff like that. But white toe girlies, and you want it to look like the salon, and again, you can, there are enough in here to have more than one use. Absolutely positive. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I don't feel like I have too many, faves that I've talked about recently that you guys need updates on. If there is anything else that I have talked about that you guys would like to know, do I still like it? Did I change my mind? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if you like these type of videos where I kind of give you updates on things that I've tried and how I'm feeling about them. Let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.